It's gonna be a hot car summer, y'all. Peak renting season is upon us. So you know what that means. It's time to raise those rates. But increasing prices is not the only thing that you can do to maximize profits this summer. There are a few tweaks that you can make to your listing to make sure that you don't leave any money on the table. Now, in this case, mandatory minimums are a good thing. In the summer months, you have the option to be a little bit more picky about the trips that you take. So go in your trip preferences and select 2-day minimums. It'll result in you doing less running around on 1-day trips, and it'll encourage renters to rent for longer periods of time. According to the American Pet Products Association, 70% of American households own a pet. Of those 5 million households, approximately 78% travel with their pet every year. Prominently place pet friendly in your vehicle description. If you're not completely comfortable with having pets in your vehicle, excessive or egregious pet hair or pet debris or dirt, etc. is still subject to the $250 Turo cleaning fee. If you still aren't quite sure, you also have the opportunity to create a pet fee extra, which will cover some additional effort associated with cleaning on your part. Which leads me to my next point. Offer extras. It's good to be a little extra. You want to offer extras that enhance your guest experience while they're renting your car. So since we're in the summer months, it can include things like folding chairs, coolers, tents, bikes, bike racks. The best part about extras is that they are not subject to your split with Turo. So you get to keep 90% of the list price since extras are not actually covered under the Turo protection plan. Hold on. Extras are not covered under the Turo protection plan, which is why you're going to want to be extra selective about what you offer as extras and explicit with your guests as it relates to proper use and your expectations of the condition upon return. Make sure your listing is highlighting the aspects of your vehicle that make it ready for fun in the sun. If that's a minivan, talk about dual zone AC. You got a drop top, talk about that convertible. If you've got a sunroof, a moonroof, automatic sunshades, if you don't have none of that, but you do have unlimited mileage, chalk those things up and highlight those things in your listing. Now remember to update your vehicle features as well, because guests can filter their search by feature when looking for a vehicle to rent. Now during the summer months, there is plenty of money to be made with Turo. However, it's not all cupcakes and rainbows. After the holiday season in Q4, travel pretty much comes to a screeching halt. In order to maximize profits in the Turo slow season, check out my video right here.